Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come.
Hi guys, I'm Pulte, your local Miami realtor. I help people to find a new home, and today I am in beautiful, amazing community, Oaktree community, nearby Fort Lauderdale. I and my team, we are working to find one of the best new home, and this Oaktree community, the one we've chosen.
The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Hi, recently a lot of customers, they are going to buy a new home here in Miami area. They want to buy a new home. Why new? New feels better, new smells better, new is yours, new one never was used before. And today I want to show you one of the best choice here in Miami neighborhood, Oaktree community, nearby Fort Lauderdale. I'm Pulte, your local real estate expert, and let me show you why this particular home is such a good fit for you. First of all, it's a location. It's close to Fort Lauderdale Airport. It's very close to the beach. It's very close to Miami International Airport, and using I-95, within the 40 minutes you will be in downtown of Miami. And so much more. Welcome. See it. See it by yourself and make your decision.
makes the city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave. Don't worry, just believe.